on top this our Ogbonge kitchen, extra large kitchen. On top this program we call As E Dey Hot. Today, I bet you know see wetin I dey see for here. You dey see one otitu koyoyo. Ọmọ tí o wẹ̀ tó ń dán. Na so I don't talk like that. Greet our people for house now. Make them know as they go.
Hello everyone. My name is Mide Martins Abiodun. How are you all doing? I am here to make you a special meal. Hey. Do you know what? Let me just say something before we begin. Do you know that one of the secrets to a successful marriage is a good meal?
Yes.
You need to know how to make your husband happy. The only way to achieve a man's love, to gain his attention, is by giving him a good meal all the time. I have learned that from my mother.
In fact,
I learned it from my mother. So I don't joke with it at all. I don't joke with my husband though.
That is the secret.
I will not tell you. I will not tell you. That is my own secret. Especially ẹ̀fọ́. Yorùbá people will say ẹ̀fọ́ ẹlẹ́mi méje. Hey!
Àti pé mi méje o. Sí o. Sí ẹ̀mí 1, ẹ̀mí 2, ẹ̀mí 3, ẹ̀mí 4, ẹ̀mí 5, ẹ̀mí 6, ẹ̀mí 7. Ẹ̀mí o. Ẹ̀mí lòmí. So, on top as e dey hot, you get wetin we dey do for you.
Okay.
You sef, you be brand ambassador for Extra Large now. Sure. So you go, I trust you say you go pass.
Confirmed ambassador.
I know say you go pass.
Original ambassador.
I know say you go pass the test. You dey gidigba every time.
Yes, so.
Extra Large,
100%.
100%.
Farm easy, eat healthy, live
healthy,
and make plenty money.
How person dey chop, wetin dey make money na the secret wey dey Extra Large. That you yourself make you go find out. Go to the website, call the number displaying for your screen right now.
Yes.
But no be that one we wan talk today. Ogbono feli as e dey hot. You know say as e dey hot, we no just dey talk about food, but we dey talk about how to dey cook that food in the right way wey go make you dey healthy.
Alright.
So you see us, we sef wey we dey for set today. My point ambassador here, she
always
no
on point.
Always on point, Neo, never dull.
It's because I eat healthy.
Because you eat healthy, and then you know the correct way to enter your husband's heart.
Yes, so I know that one very well.
I miss Swagalicious Mama Moji Davis milk, Kerera.
Anyway, you know they enjoy yourself.
I know they carry like.
I'll be now.
Yeah, now. So now we won't go enter kitchen.
Okay.
The way we want to cook this our effort today. You know, say some people they go they wash parboil. We know they parboil everything. We don't even go fry the pepper so that all the nutrients go they intact.
Yes.
But before we go that part, maybe we go check waiting they get for.
Extra Large Foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large ofada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil. Extra large groundnut oil. Absolutely cholesterol free. Extra large smoked fish. Extra large beefy. Extra large locust beans. Extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818-220-5553 or 0909-093-8486.
Now welcome our people. Hey,
Today not today.
Queen Martins.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Are you ready?
and they see your hand. You know, say when they see you for movie, they do all those kind. I don't know, say that like this, you dey inside kitchen.
I'm like this now. Please, can I have the palm oil?
Palm oil, extra large palm
Extra
oil.
large palm oil.
Yes, so.
Okay, so
Huh.
this is
This
the first step.
Huh. Okay. You don't like too much oil.
I know they like too much oil.
Anybody we won't stay healthy, may you know they chop too much oil. Yes.
Okay. Can I have the pepper? No, the onions.
The onions.
Yes. Now this one will bring out the aroma. You don't do like that.
Okay. See what I give you again now.
Pepper.
Pepper.
I need spoon.
Spoon.
Yeah.
Tomatoes they there, abi?
Tomatoes they there.
Pepper they
Pepper
there.
they there.
Tatashe
Tatashe
they there.
they there.
Ginger garlic they there.
Everything they there.
Oh, so you go. If person they see you when they act all those your fine this thing. They not gonna know say if you do something for inside kitchen, no.
I'm a married woman now. Apart from my profession, I get husband for house. I get 15. So I need to take care of them very well. I can't allow another woman to come and take my place. So
what do you make I give you again?
Let's wait.
Okay, you should wait for this one too. Okay,
Yeah, make it this small.
small.
Get the freshness, quality, and natural taste of a variety of extra large foods in one pack. Extra large food basket, 100% natural. Eat healthy, live healthy. Order now on www.extralargegoodies.com or click the button below.
Okay, the next thing where we will put now the locust beans.
Locust beans.
Please let me pass it.
Okay. You know, see as that locust beans, they neat.
And very fresh.
Very fresh and fine. Now extra large locust beans.
I'm sure it's from,
No.
it's from my own. Okay, I even thought it's from my hometown.
This is from extra because this one now no be the kind locust beans where you go they put they look for sand
and we go get all those yama. This one is
clean.
It's clean and it's fresh
Clean.
as you can see. And it's smelling really nice.
Me, I always put plenty
Me
inside.
too, I like plenty. I just
It has a way of washing everything inside the
inside the tummy. Yeah, that's true.
It will eliminate the fat inside your tummy.
Mm.
That's one of the works of locust beans.
Yes.
Madam Ide.
Yes.
This thing don't they speak pidgin.
I will take today.
Yes.
So.
Say you don't mean us before.
Madam Ide.
As in the heart, you say you don't meet us before.
Madam Ide Olowo Shibi.
Hey, oh God, you are so hot.
So we need to cover it now and leave it for some minutes
To cook.
To cook.
You know, as I see you when they come this set, they wear this your red, Shannon, Wole, everything. Just I say, hey, we don't hear that for today.
Extra large foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large ofada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil, extra large groundnut oil, absolutely cholesterol free, extra large smoked fish, extra large beefy, extra large locust beans, extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818 220 5553 or 0909 093 8486.
Our guest today, our proud ambassador of Extra Large, not the only queen of drama, not the only queen of Nollywood, not queen for kitchen self.
Happy oh, now.
And they say the kind language, this pepper, they speak Spanish, they speak Portuguese, they speak Chinese.
Now I'm ready to add all my ingredients. Please, can I have the pomo first?
And let me make it. When they can't be any way they enter inside.
That before I maybe this one. Okay, let me have the
stockfish. Hey.
Honestly,
you know, say this kind soup not be the soup when you go chop on Monday when you go work.
Like that. You don't go to that work again.
And it's good when the person they chop am for night. Alarere ni o mama.
You have a sweet. Please can I have the
Shakio. Hey. Hey, Emmy.
This is
the whole family. You need to be inside this kitchen. Honestly, I dey tell you truth. You got to be here.
Got to be here.
Madam, they eat.
Gizadi.
Gizdodore. Oh my God.
Mr. Fish, you go take to go. After chopping
this.
After eating this,
I
must collect something.
I don't see your secrets.
I must collect something special from you, Mr. Fish.
Wait, you go pay another dowry name.
You know, we don't get one agreement before. They do some get before. By the time we finish eating this four where I dey put so, my sister, don't worry.
See how they speak.
I go soon upload the gift.
Yeah. Make I pack all this one comot for here. Shey you don dey ready to put your crayfish?
Yes, so.
Ẹlẹ́mi mẹ́rìnlá.
Ẹlẹ́mi méje ni o. Ẹlẹ́mi méje.
No wonder.
No wonder Mr. Fish cannot leave me.
He can. How man go dey chop this kind
thing. And we won't leave the wife.
Women, if you dey get problem with your husband, you know they come home quick for night. You dey go weekend parole, all those things. You never sabi this thing. Come as e dey hot. If you need all the complete recipe wey we take cook this food, don't forget to for YouTube na Extra Large Farms TV. On top Facebook, Instagram, Twitter na Extra Large Farms. Or you fit even search for as e dey hot. All this recipe e go dey there. If you no come understand all this thing wey I dey talk na, click on subscribe for that Extra Large Farms TV channel on YouTube so that every time when we dey post new videos, you go dey get notification. No forget to like am. If you don't like wetin we dey do today, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. John Tori Olorun.
It's not ready yet. The food never ready.
You never ready?
Be like say
me, I don't dey wash my
No. The food never ready. I never put Maggi and salt now.
They say make we put seasoning and salt. I think say because this thing.
Now we just add
salt to taste. No be say e go dey too much.
No, it's not even healthy.
Okay.
Now.
You go put seasoning. As you don't put plenty crayfish, and me I always dey talk am on top of this show. You don't really need to put too much. You just put like one. Two.
Depends on the quantity.
Because this me.
This
when you don't
me when don't
for inside this soup.
It don't do enough. You can't wait. Hey, I'm sure after watching this episode.
I say if person gets loss of memory, make they chop this guy's soup.
The memory go come back.
And no mama today how to see day today. My name is Moji Davis, the swagalicious farmer of Extra Large, and I get with me my swagalicious Otutu Poyoyo.
Yes, sir.
Queen of Nollywood and queen inside the kitchen. All the secrets of Uncle Afiz Owo, everything we don see am today. Everything dey chop wey dey look fine. How person go dey be like 60, 70 years old, you still dey young? You say wetin this man dey chop na?
Na better you dey chop. Na better.
Let me make joke.
Get the freshness, quality, and natural taste of a variety of extra large foods in one pack. Extra large food basket, 100% natural. Eat healthy, live healthy. Order now on www.extralargegoodies.com or click the button below.
He dey speak 7 languages. Each content. I tell you, say if person husband dey run away when you dey cook this one, if person get loss of memory, your pikin no know book for school, they give am this one. You sef you know they get stamina, make you dey chop this one. Person need blood for body, make you dey chop this one. You no wan grow old quick, make you dey chop this one.
Even if COVID, see this kind.
No, seriously. Wetin me I know be say COVID-19 no like snail, e no like momo, e no like stockfish. As you go put everything inside.
No.
So no need to put hot water inside this vegetable.
No need.
So that you no go lose the nutrients.
The nutrients, yes.
Oh, my people.
What?
My people.
Wetin
they wait for? May they go that YouTube page now. May they send message so that luck go smile for your side one day. May we carry you come inside this kitchen. May you not be like say na only me go dey see all this Emi make the Emi 100 wey dey here.
Madam, what is it? What happened?
No, something I just
Madam, you no go taste from it. Madam.
Every power. Where go say make I no choice for this food today? Oh yeah, die by fire.
Toto yẹn.
Me only jacking. Everything that my brother don't do like this.
Don't they do papa?
This kind of good food is good for weekend.
For weekend, abi.
Chop and finish.
On Saturday,
relax.
After chopping, make you come.
Jibi. So, make una no forget extra large wonder meal. Now you go take samalam. You know say if to say na village now, this kind of vegetable wey you cook efforiro, then go come make pounded yam. But extra large don come tell us say make una no stress una self dey do pounded yam go paka go.
Because na the same thing.
This one when you shebi you go see us when we dey chop am now. If you never get your own, go buy am. Go on top www.extralargegoodies.com now. Go order your own online, or make you just see all the address where they your screen now. Any branch wey dey near you. Extra Large get branches all over. Supermarket then they sell am. Make you go take your own. As we dey chop this one with this efforiro, now e go be like say na pounded yam we dey chop, but no be pounded yam o. Na extra large meal wey dem make with plantain, unripe plantain, and our local rice here for Naija. E dey 100% natural, no flavor, no chemical, no preservatives. You go see am. You go see am. Ah,
Oh, yeah.
color don come.
Abi, everything don set.
Ah, baby, we show color.
All the Emi Meje, they don settle down well.
No wonder.
Mm.
Every time you just dey young, dey she need it too.
Hey.
Please come and give me small.
No.
Please.
I'm
please,
sorry.
Please.
I will give you money, but
Please.
this
This is my last chance.
If you want money, if you want my car, I think
I know.
dash you my car.
Me sef I go dash you car for this.
Make I give you car.
I go give you open check for this vegetable. Say go fill any amount wey you want.
Okay, make I send you go abroad.
I say I fit give you the whole of Nigeria on top. Now only extra large I don't give you.
Extra large foods, 100% natural food products. Extra large meal, just like pounded yam. Extra large ofada rice. Extra large plantain flour. Extra large beans flour. Extra large honey beans. Extra large fine gari. Extra large palm oil. Extra large groundnut oil. Absolutely cholesterol free. Extra large smoked fish. Extra large beefy. Extra large locust beans. Extra large aromatic pepper. The list goes on and on and on. Visit www.extralargegoodies.com or chat 0818 220 5553 or 0909 093 8486.
Ekuri. My people. The truth of the matter is that if you are not here, you cannot understand what
Honestly,
is happening.
you don't know what you're missing.
You can't understand.
You cannot understand it.
Mm.
And let me tell you one thing. The best way and the only way to enjoy this effort is to eat it with extra large meal.
Extra large meal. 100%.
100% natural.
Don't go and be eating this one with eba.
With all the other things.
And this one, extra meat, no leche.
No leche on the corner.
Ejo, Oya, how you go take do this parole now?
I don't know. Maybe you will meet me on the way.
I will meet you on the other side.
Okay.
Our people question and answer, they will make us not forget. If you want win something, win the extra large food, different kinds of food where we get for extra large. Go answer the question. Join us for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Like our video, share them with everybody where you like. Until we meet again next time, you see say this thing done the code.
Madam. This one. You were saying that.
I don't talk when I'm eating.
Okay. That's
not talking.